Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will also share our trading ideas of gold with all of you guys. So first of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's plan. So these analysis were did in yesterday's video, and we said that we will open a sell trade below this support level, and if we break this resistance level, then we will open a buy trade. And if we find any H1 bearish candle, then probably I will open a sell trade. So first of all, we will discuss about this sell trade, which personally I took yesterday. So this candle was running when we make this video, and we said that if this candle close bearish and the next candle start breaking this candle low, then basically I will open a sell trade. And that happened. This candle H1 candle closed bearish. The next candle make us a little bit top wick and then start moving downward. When this candle break this previous candle low, then I open a sell trade. My SL was almost above this wick and my TP almost here. That was a 1-2 risk reward trade. So market open, when I opened a buy trade, market come a little bit down 1-2 pips in profit and then move upward to touch my SL. You can see that market only touch my SL. Yeah, just touch my SL and come down towards the TP. Okay, so now move on another trade. If we look on M30 time frame, that was the FOMC time, and I was expecting that dollar will be strong and gold will fall down. So basically I put a sell stop order. If you can look here, yeah, just show me. Yeah. So this was the previous candle's low. This was a little bit range. So I set a sell stop order below this support level, and my SL was almost 40 pips above this candle, and market comes down, open my pending order, sell stop and shoot down. So when market come here, I closed my trade. I took almost 80 pips from the gold in FOMC. And after that gold start moving downward and gold move. Okay, so this was happened yesterday. So right now we are going to do some fresh live analysis, and we will discuss about gold, where we can buy, where we can sell today. So first of all, we will remove these areas. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel, we upload daily live forex analysis, and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBP USD, GBP JPY for intraday trading. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So this is the D1 time frame. Okay, so first of all, we will draw this previous support level. This was the support level. Market broke this support level. The next one we have here. This was the previous high. So let's see if market retests this level or not. So let's move on H4 time frame and modify these areas. Okay, so this was the previous support level. Market make a fake out in this support level and now going upward. So here we have a supply area. This will be a supply area, and if we move on H1 time frame, so let's see what's going on here. First of all, we will see on left side. So let's modify this area. Yeah, perfect. And here if we look here, so this was the previous retest level. Let's see will we get any retest or not. And we have a demand almost here. So I talk about this demand many times. If we get any demand like this, near to that level, then there's a high probability chance that market will come in this level and short up. So let's see what will happen. Now we are going to move on M30 time frame. So M30 time frame, we have another supply area. So this is the supply area, and we have our moving average in this area also. So basically this will be a nice trade if we find any confirmation in this area. So basically we have the resistance. If we look on M30 time frame, on M30 time frame we have another supply area. I think this supply area will also work very well. So if you can look here, this is the previous high, and above this previous high we have a supply of M15 time frame. So I watched this setup many times. If market break this resistance level and then come in this supply, there's a high probability chance that market will come down. So basically I'm going to set a pending order in this supply area. So let's see what will happen. So my SL will almost here, and basically I will open 1-2 risk reward. Yeah, I will take 1-2 risk reward. 1-2 risk will be fine. So this is the live pending order in front all of you guys. You can set this pending order also. So basically I put my sell limit order here. So after this video I will set this pending order on my MT4 account also. But mostly I am doing all my analysis on TradingView, and I trade on MT4. So basically I don't analyze my MT4 on my MT4. So this is the pending order. Okay, fine. This is the sell trade. If market come in this supply area, so we will open a sell trade. So I think we should here. So first of all, if we look on dollar chart, so dollar is ranging. Okay, fine. So right now if we look on M30 15 time frame and M5 time frame, I think we can find a nice buy trade from here. Okay, fine. So let's see if market come down in this area almost here, and if you find any bullish candle, if there will be any nice bullish candle close, then you can open a buy trade towards this supply area. So that will also a nice trade. So let me show here an arrow. If you find any bullish candle above this support level, then you can open a buy trade towards this supply area. Otherwise you have a sell limit order here, and if market break this support level and close below this support level, then there's a high probability chance that market will go down to the 1800s. So these 3 trading ideas for today. Please like this video, share this video, and if you have any question you can ask in comment section box. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis, and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBPUSD and GBP/JPY for intraday trading with all of you guys. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.